I think it already looks funny. It doesn't matter if I say something funny.
Makes it that much funnier when you say something funny.
What do you want me to say?
Something funny.
Or recite Hitler?
No. Just be like Hitler's really gay Jewish brother.
Hitler never had a gay Jewish brother.
From this angle. Oh my god. Do it again. Do it again.
What again?
When you smile, it looks like you're doing a really awkward smile. Like it.
We had enough fun now?
No.
Is someone recording it so I can see it again?
Yeah.
It does look like you're smiling weird.
It's like it's disgusting.
It's like she's trying to pull out a bush or like push out a poo or something. Hello.
Hello. I'm Frank Walker from National Times. Wait. Kyle doesn't know who Frank Walker is.
It's still funny.
It's something you should know.
Hello.
No, you wouldn't. Perth. Think of Perth.
Exactly.
Come to Ready Roast. Not Ready Roast. What is it? Red
Rooster?
No, not Red Rooster. What's the chicken company you have over there?
No.
Red Rooster and Chicken Treat.
Chicken Treat, that's the one. Oh, I miss Chicken Treat. Back in my day, we had Chicken Treat all the time. I came to Melbourne, I was like, what the fuck is Red Rooster? Here's some Chicken Treat.
I want some chicken treat.
I want some Chicken Treat.
We have Red Rooster as well.
Turns out they didn't treat the chickens very nice. They got sued and everything, it was horrible. Oh, how they treated the chickens. And by the way, we're up or the wrong way up. I don't even know. Sad face. Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. It makes that licking.
Tastes like chicken.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken.
Where's my chicken?
And then
He's got hair. It's hilarious.
I need one of those novelty mustache combs. Why can't I see myself? Why do you keep blocking my eyes? Why is it funny if I block my eyes?